Hello and welcome back. Today I want to look at a cool little lock here. It's not not real challenging, other than the warding in it. It is a dimple lock. Um, the key suggests there's the bitting on the key. Key suggests that it is a 6 pin. The lock suggests it's a 7 pin, but after picking it, I decided that it's only a 6 pin. The key does work. Um, as you can see, and it is both sides are cut, so you can put the key in either direction. So works pretty smooth. I don't know how well you can see in there, but the pins are right in between those two pieces of warding, right here and here. So I consequently had to use a slightly curved flag. I can get that to focus, and you can kind of see it's ever so slightly curved. But nonetheless, it is a curved flag. Let's put this in the vise and show you how I get into it. Tighten this down. Make sure it does work in the vise. It is working. Vise is tight. Apply some tension on this side so it's out of my way, since I have to work over that warding. And then I just pretty heavy tension, go in and find the binding pin and push them down. There are no security pins in this lock. A little bit of rotation on the core off of pin 1. A little bit off of 3 there, I believe. I'm just kind of checking all the pins, trying to find the next binder. Well, that's what it was. 5 was all the way to the top. And I got a pretty good click out of him. And a little bit of rotation, another click out of 4. Looks like 3 is all the way to the top. Loosen my tension a little bit and get underneath him. Wow, he is really and now 1 is binding, or maybe that's 2. A little bit of click out of him. 1 is still springy. Well, by default, you'd think I only have 1 left, but I don't think I pushed one of them all the way in. So I'm kind of going back and touching the tops of all of them, finding the one that's hanging me up here. I don't have much, that's for sure. There it went, right there. And there it is. As you can see, it is loose. And the actuator doesn't want to turn with this. There it is. So yeah, it is picked, and you can see the actuator turning there. And actually, I locked it back up. But either way, kind of a neat little pick. Not a bad little lock for a dimple pick, or for a dimple lock. Not too bad. Either way, thank you for your time, and don't break the law.